Hello friends and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your MacBook Pro to its original state, like it was new, like it came in the original package. So basically why you want to do this, in case you want to sell it or you want to give it to someone else as a present, I don't know. So sooner or later you will do it, and it's very easy, and I'm going to show you in this video how it's done. So let's go. It's pretty simple. Basically, what you have to keep in mind is that there are a few steps you have to do it. The first step is to sign out of all your accounts on your MacBook Pro. But actually before that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you back up all your information or all your data on the hard drive of the MacBook Pro. So don't rush, and make sure you download or you put all that information in a safe place, because everything is going to be erased. This is going to be like a new MacBook Pro. The first thing you have to do is obviously sign out of all your accounts. So go and search here, go to music, write down music, go to account and go to authorizations and click deauthorize this computer. Easy. Because I'm not signed in, because I don't listen to music on my MacBook, I can't do it because I'm not even signed in. Anyway, so once you've done this, close music and you are safely signed out of your music account, or how it used to be, the iTunes. The second step we have to do, we have to go to your iMessages. So go to iMessages, you can type it here, messages, and then click messages, and you have to go here, okay, go to messages, go to settings, and just sign out. Easily sign out. That's it, you are signed out of your iMessages. And the most important thing what you have to do, you have to sign out with your Apple iCloud account. So just go here in search bar, don't bother to go and search where iCloud is, just write down iCloud. Okay, go to iCloud in settings, just found it over here, and go to your name, go down, go to sign out, and then you have to, if you want to keep a copy of all that stuff, but obviously if you have an iPhone, there's no need actually to do that, because everything is saved on your iCloud automatically. But if you want to do it, keep a copy on this Mac before signing out. Yes, let's keep a copy, why not? Okay, so now it shows us to put the password of your iCloud account in order to deactivate the Find My MacBook. So you have to make sure that if you sell it, if you give it to someone, your Find My MacBook is not activated, because they won't be able to use it, because it will be like a stolen MacBook in a way. So you have to deactivate this, and you have to put your password of the iCloud. Here everything is done. But anyway, before proceeding, once again, make sure you backed up all your information, you stored all your data that you had on your drive, on your MacBook, you put it safely, and make sure you don't need any information on that drive. Just back it up, make sure. Once the machine is shut down, very important, what you have to do, you have to press the button. Just let me come over here, just like that. So you can see the power button over here, just over here. Yeah, you can see the power button. You see the screen is black, so the computer is turned off, right? So you see this power button over here. So what you have to do, you're gonna press once on the power button, and once you see the Apple logo, then press Command R for 5 seconds. Then it's going to go into the boot menu. All right, if you have a new M1 chip or M2 chip, what you're gonna do, you press once the power button. Once you see the logo, then you press again and you hold the power button for 5 seconds, and everything else is the same. Right, let's go. Because I have an i9 MacBook, that's why I have to do the old way, the Intel way. Right, so press the button, see the logo, press Command R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyway, keep holding, keep holding. It's an Intel i9. It's an Intel machine. That's why it's very slow. Here we are. Now we are going into the boot menu. So you can see that nicely it's booting. So we're gonna wait until it boots up, and then it's gonna present us with the menu, and then we will take it from there. Here we are, macOS recovery. And then it shows me that I need to introduce once again the password of this MacBook. No problem, I'm gonna do that. Click next and have an easy password, click enter, and we're gonna go. So it shows us what do we want to do. We want to restore from a time machine, we want to reinstall the Mac OS, or we're just gonna browse the web. What I want to do, I want to make this like as a new laptop. So it shows us a few options over here. Like the first one is to restore from a time machine, reinstall macOS Ventura, browse the web, or just go to disk utility. Because I want to make this as a new MacBook, I want to erase the whole disk and make it like as a new MacBook. So you can see over here, this is quite full. I've got so this is the macOS base system. Just don't go into macOS base system. What I'm going to do, I have to go to the Macintosh HD and erase this volume, erase the disk, make it new. So I'm going to click erase. Ooh, have to breathe. Do I have any information that I missed? Not quite sure. Anyway, what's gone, it's gone. And I think I backed up everything. I think so. Yeah, I think I backed up everything. Anyway, whatever's gone, it's gone. Right, so I'm going to erase the Macintosh HD, and everything that was on this computer is going to be gone. It's going to be deleted. Right. Let's wait until it deletes everything. Should take about a minute or two. I mean, it depends how much information you have. Here we are. It tells me that the erasing was successful and it created a new Macintosh HD. Right, let's go again and double check what we've got here. So nothing is used. I've got 998.89 gigabytes. Fine. It shows you here that you have 1 terabyte. So if you want to do a partition, you can go and partition. You have more partition, all that stuff. I don't know why you need more partitions. I don't know, but you can do that. You can go to first aid and check if if the state of your hard drive is okay. But I mean, we're done. We're done. The Macintosh HD is erased. What you have to do next? You have to install the Mac OS. Okay, so once this is done, you have to go to your log over here and click restart. So once we've restarted it, and then again click Command R, and once you've done that, you'll be presented with this page over here. It's normal, don't worry. And actually don't worry if it tells you some weird stuff on the screen if you didn't manage to press Command R. It's fine, don't worry. Just restart it again and press Command R until you'll be presented with this image over here. So you will need to have a Wi-Fi connection so the computer can download the Mac OS from the internet and install it. So let's find out what my password is. Right, so I put the password on. Now I'm going to wait until it downloads the whole Mac OS. Very, very important, guys. Make sure that your laptop is plugged in. Extremely important. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you have 50% or 60% or 80%. Just plug in your computer into the socket, so you know you'll never run out of battery, because some old laptops they don't have a reliable battery, and you might damage something, you know. So just be safe, be sure, plug it in, and you know, for peace of mind, you can do whatever you want to do, even if it takes, you know, half an hour, or I don't know. It depends on your internet speed. Sometimes you don't know, you know, so you have to make sure that you are on the safe side. So very important, plug your computer in. I've got the password on. It tells me that it's starting internet recovery. This may take a while. So we are recovering through the internet. Obviously, there is an option to recover it with your partition that you saw there, the partition that is called macOS Recovery. But you can do it actually through the internet as well. That's absolutely fine. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Done. So we have the logo now appeared, and this is the screen that it appears when you buy a brand new MacBook. This is how it does. You know, when you open it and it says doo-doo, and then it shows you this screen. So we managed to do it. It's pretty easy actually. It's pretty cool. So you just have to, you know, sign out of all your iCloud and then iMessages and iTunes, or now it's just Music Code, and basically just restart it. You know, click, push the power button, and then you know. Press Command R for 5 seconds, and this is it. Easy, done. You know, it does its magic now. Just installing the updates now. Okay, so it is. This is the screen of the macOS recovery. So what you're gonna do? You want to reinstall macOS. I don't need to restore it from a time machine. I don't want the disk utility now. I just want to reinstall macOS. Continue. So it shows me here macOS Catalina, but it's very strange because I mean, now we are on a newer version. But I don't know, for some reason it shows me macOS Catalina. That's fine. We'll just have to agree and continue. Agree. Okay, so install it on my Macintosh HD. Yes. If you'd created a new partition, then you would install it in that partition over there. But it's fine. I have just one partition. You know, when I used to use Windows, I always had two partitions. Just one was the operating system, and the other one was just, you know, stuff. But you know, I don't know. I tend to keep just one partition for MacBooks and Apple stuff. Anyway, it shows me here 20 minutes to wait until it's going to reinstall the macOS. So we'll just have to be waiting. We will wait. And here it is. That's the Apple logo just appeared. And here it is. Here it is. It's like a new MacBook. So we need to start the country, United Kingdom. So it's basically, it shows you like a brand new MacBook now. So I'll need to put the password again. And you know, obviously there are a few ways to do this, but I find that deleting everything that's on the hard drive and just reinstall everything is just amazing. You know, it's like having a brand new Mac. So you see, I don't transfer anything or any information. It's going to be like a brand new MacBook, and you can sell it, or you can, you know, give it as a present to whoever you want to, you know. So set up later the iCloud, skip terms and conditions. Obviously we have to accept them. There's no other way. So you see, you need to create this computer account, otherwise it won't let you sign in. Basically you have to customize settings, right back. Okay, don't share. So basically you will have to create an account or put a name, otherwise it just won't. All right, let's do that setup later. Screen time and all that stuff. So it's basically, this is going to be like a new MacBook, so you can sell it, you know. But basically this is it. I mean, it's so easy to set up So you know you can put the Touch ID. Maybe later. Cancel. Can I do it later? Say set up Touch ID later. Continue. Okay, so you see dark. It's a nice, I think, cool. I like the dark one. It's pretty cool. True tone display. See without true tone. Let's go. Setting up your map, and this is it. This is how you make a new MacBook. And that's all. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below in case you have more questions on how to restart or how to reboot your MacBook. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.